Hello students, welcome to Silica UCID video solution. Today we are looking to UCID 2023 question number 20. It is about MSQ question, 4 marks question. So let's read the question. A printer wishes to print 4 colors, crimson, pink, brown and indigo using CMYK model ink. The printer uses the CMYK combination shown below in the percentage of each link to produce the colors on the right. Which combinations will result in the correct colors? So here we have CMYK percentage and decide that a color. So according to that CMYK, color print will generate. So the percentage of CMYK for the brown color, which is wrong. Same for the B, again it's wrong. So while we are looking into the percentage, the correct percentage of CMYK which are near to option A and option D. That's why the correct answer is option A and option D combination will result in correct colors. Thank you.